Hey guys, Kirby Smith, last building. I believe this is building number two. It's the last one I'm inspecting today for this owner. And guys, it's one we've already been on. There was some sort of leak occurring around here, probably from the ridge vent. It could have been from that pipe boot that we sealed up. Kind of more of the same right here. Seal up all this stuff. Hopefully it kind of resolves maybe one or some of the leaks that they're experiencing. Metal ridge vent needs to be replaced all. Shingles racked. This is the kind of the results of these ridge vents. RIPP, that's going to be rust inhibiting primer and paint, 8 vent stacks. And this is the first building I started with and looked at. It's going to need counter flashing or something done with that flashing, because the wall can leak right here. Water can go in behind the difference between the step flashing and the counter flashing. So we would want to put like a counter flashing over all of this. Anyway, that don't happen to be the only building that needed it. Again, this is the first one I started with the other day when I was on it, and I was suspecting we might be into more flashing needs. This is ridge vent, obviously needing replaced. Kind of surprised that held on after these winds. There's a cracking racked shingle you can see. Only one I'd seen on this particular building, so that's good. We've also got some gutters coming off of this building as well. Guys, that's pretty much it. That's a wrap. Happy Masters Friday to you guys, and enjoy the weekend. Hope it's a great one for everyone. I'm gonna be nice and safe as I get off of this roof after inspecting all of them. And I think we look like we're in pretty good shape here. This is a pretty good looking roof that I feel okay about. So anyway, there you have it, guys. I'm Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction, coming to you today from building number 2, and kind of get my owner some prices at this point. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one. See you later.